let's say right now I'm busy, but I want to grow. I don't have, a fancy practice, as I don't have an associate. I have some hygienists.
Correct.
I don't have an associate. How about if I want to do to get up to that good position?
Perfect.
I just want to grow.
Work on your strengths. Who's ever heard the saying, find your weaknesses and then make them your strengths? If you've ever found that, say aye.
Aye.
That's bullshit. Don't do that. Not when you're growing an organization. Find your strengths and double down on them and market them and promote them. Those strengths will give you enough breathing space to start, others will start popping up. Well, I'll tell you, there's half the associates out there that the biggest complaint that they got is I hate doing the shitty little work. I just want the high profitable work. And so if you can direct your marketing towards high profitable work and you go out and you start talking to associates and you go, look, we're boutique, but this is where we specialize. We want associates to be able to make top dollar in the industry. That person, if I'm a young gun and I'm going, geez, you know what? I'm young in my career. I'm buying a house and all. I want to come and work with you. Another thing, we're also looking for someone that potentially really wants to go out there and not just work 4 days. I want to go for the 5th day. And he's not going in there looking for a lavish office it's just not what he's going to be looking for. But he knows what he's getting because you told them exactly your strengths and they bought into your strengths.